Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today's video we're going to be unboxing and reviewing a pair of Wi-Fi LED strips. These are RGB and they retail for less than $25 I believe on Amazon. I'll throw a link up in the description. Anyways, we have done a video on how to pair Wi-Fi LED strips in general. It could be RGB-IC, RGB-WW, RGB-W, or RGB in general. And if you want to see that video, the link will be in the description. It is for the Amazon Assistant first, and then if you guys want to see the Google Home Assistant, let me know. See, these are the LED strips. So on the left side of the box you have 6 different information. It's environmental friendly, low heat, noise free, soft light beam, ultraviolet proof radiation, energy saving, and long lifespan, which is typical on LEDs. And it says it has up to 5 years based on 3 hours a day. This is the 32.8 foot strip, waterproof, 50/50 RGB 300 LED kit. And then it's as you can see, 12 volt 2.5 amp. Alright, so first we have a power adapter. This one is 12 volts 2.5 amps at 30 watts. Alright, so first we have a replacement prong, so you can replace the prongs if they do bend or break or don't work. You have the 24 key remote, 3M adhesive, double-sided, and you can use that for like a control box or whatever the Wi-Fi control panel. This one, as you can see, you have a IR receiver, you have a little output for the power and the LED strip, the 2 ends on this, and then you have the main end, which for the Wi-Fi. You have 6 sticky brackets, a cleaning wet wipe and a cleaning dry wipe. Right here you have the Magic Home app, and you can scan it on the back, and then a detailed user guide. So basically there's no user guide in here. You have 2 16.4 reels. They are 2 16.4 foot strips, and yeah, so this is how to set them up really quick. You have to make sure that it matches up with this arrow right here. So make sure it's matched up like that. Both are arrow to arrow. And then from this end, the splitted end, so right here we have arrow to arrow, like so, which right here, and there we go, and just plug it in. Now you have 2 ways to control it. 1, you can download the app and you can control it from there on your phone, or 2, you can use the 24 key remote and control it from there really quickly. So you have a brightness up and down, off, on, RGBW, 12 colors right here. You have flash, strobe, fade, and smooth. Obviously it does different colors. Strobe is obviously like flashing white. Fade is like all those colors, basically a fade 7 on a 44 key remote. And then smooth would be, I guess, RGB, jump 3. And then you have, like I said, tons of colors here, and it has a quick transition, which is, so as you can see, red, green, blue, and then you can connect these to your smart assistant as well, which is really nice. Just go ahead and download the app from right here, or you can search up Magic Home Pro on your iOS device or Android. It is on both. So we have the app downloaded right here, the middle one. So you have Magic Home. We're going to go ahead and open it, and to pair it, all you have to do is press the plus. You'll probably have to sign up. Just once you sign up, go through all those steps, and then you can just connect device, and then you have to pair it from Wi-Fi, and then it's very simple to be able to pair them. But if you need to set up a new one, you can just connect to Wi-Fi, sign in, and you're good from there. You could turn them on and off, as you can see, just like that. And then you can change the colors, which is really cool. I'm gonna turn this off. You can change the colors. You can do, so you have millions of different color combinations here, and then you can do DIY here. You can set your own colors, presets basically. And then you have functions right here. You can do a 7 color crossfade, which is just as you can see, like a fade. You have a gradual red change, which is just a fade of a green or blue, whatever color. And you have tons of them, so you have a ton of those. And then you have a double crossfade. So you have like a blue crossfade, a red blue crossfade, red green crossfade. And you have the strobes, the strobe flashes, epilepsy warning by the way. And you can change the speed, so you can make it like pretty fast. We have a 7-color jumping change, which you can change the speed of, obviously. And do custom mode, which you can do custom jumping, strobe, or gradual change, which is pretty cool. That's very customized. It's a DIY. And then you can do the microphone, which you have to enable. But once you do enable, it's the phone's device, so you can play any sound off of your phone. Not off of your phone. Like, you can't do Spotify. There's no Wi-Fi strips or any RGB strips in general with music mode that can do Spotify, Pandora, or any other app like that. It's impossible for right now, at least. You can change the different music modes that it jumps through. So if you want it to be only one color, you can do that. You can do different types, normal, classical, or rock. And then you can go ahead and select the music from iTunes, like the library. Or on your Android device, you can do MP3 downloads. Cinema, you can do on your TV. Your phone towards the TV, it'll monitor the light that goes from the TV and match it with the strips. But yeah, it's pretty cool in my opinion. And then you can change the brightness really quickly and stuff like that. Very cool. And you can do the strength from low, medium to high and higher. And then right here you have the camera, which is similar. And as you can see, just capture color. Yeah. And then you have auto, which it'll just automatically go to whatever it is. If it's a darker color, lighter, and all that. Pretty cool. So that's all the functionality with the app. Very interesting. Very spooled up. These do have a sponge adhesive on the back, which means it'll grow over time and it'll be more efficient over time, basically. So that's really cool. Really easy to set up and pair and do everything else in general. The functionality of these apps are very simple and easy. Definitely think it's worth it. It's like less than 25 bucks. But if you want to see more RGB strips in the future, let me know. I have a LED strip playlist in the description if you want to see. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you in the next one.